Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to fix Google Meet can't show your meetings. Try again later, problem solve. Close this app. Open settings. Click apps. Find the meeting application. Click Meet. Click Clear Data. Click OK. Select Force Stop. Click OK. Click Back. Now we have turned on the airplane mode on and off again. Click Turn on airplane mode. Click Turn off airplane mode. Check that the date and time are correct. Click Date and Time. Click Automatic Date and Time off and on. All process complete. Then open Play Store. Search Google Meet. Check if your Google Meet app is up to date. If the application is updated, it will be open. Click Open. Thanks for watching.